Crochet this in 4 minutes. Start with black or dark yarn for the handle. Make a slip knot, then chain 5 times. Chain 1 and slip stitch into the side. Slip stitch into the first chain. Slip knot, then chain twice. Slip stitch twice into the handle. With Tunisian crochet, you never turn your work. Start a row or the forward pass by pulling 3 loops through all chains. Each row is completed with a backward pass. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops 3 times, and your first row is complete. To create a simple Tunisian stitch, you pull yarn through these front loops. Do this twice. For all end stitches, always pull through both the front and back loops for an even seam. From here, we're going to start decreasing from the left side to create the slope. Yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops. This is a Tunisian decrease. Again, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops twice, and your second row is complete. Pull yarn through front loops. Again, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then 2 of the loops twice, and your third row is complete. Repeat for row 4. Pull yarn through front loops. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then 2 of the loops twice, and your fourth row is complete. Pull yarn through front loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops for your second decrease. Then repeat to finish your fifth row. Pull yarn through front loops. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then 2 of the loops, and your sixth row is complete. Pull yarn through front loop. Then do your last decrease by pulling yarn through these last loops. Chain 1 for the tip. Finally, chain as much as you need for the strap. Slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off to finish. And we're done.